students, welcome to online social studies class. You all know that our earth is like a round ball. Can you see the globe here? But it is not fully round, slightly flattened at the top and the bottom. The globe is a miniature model of our planet Earth. When we look at a globe, we will observe some lines that running from north to south and some lines running from east to west. Now you know that these all are imaginary lines. That means actually these lines do not exist on the Earth's surface. Now the question is, what is the use of them? Listen, these lines are drawn on maps and globes to find the location of a particular place. Now, I am telling you, the Earth rotates from east to west. And it rotates on an imaginary line which passes through the center of the Earth. You can see? Which passes through the center of the Earth. It is called axis, from here to here. It is called axis. Actually, it is also an imaginary line. The axis has two endpoints. In the north, it is called the North Pole. In the top, it is called North Pole. And in the south, it is called South Pole. You can see on the globe, there are two sets of imaginary lines. One from North Pole to South Pole, which are called the meridians of longitude. From North Pole to South Pole, this type of lines, imaginary lines, are called meridians of longitude. Okay, and other set from east to west, these are called parallels of longitude. So today we will start the chapter 15, parallels and meridians. So today we will discuss on the first unit, parallels on Earth. Okay. Chapter 15, parallels and meridians. Okay. So you can see here, it is the miniature form of globe. Here are the lines of latitude which runs from west to east or east to west. You can see. And it is the North Pole. It is 90 degree N. And the South Pole 90 degree S. And parallels of latitudes runs always horizontally in east-west direction. As these lines all are parallel to each other, so they are called parallels of latitude. Actually, the line which divides the Earth in north and south part, southern part, northern and southern part, it is the equator. It is the main parallel of latitude, that is marked as 0 degree. Okay, this line is the longest parallel and it is called the equator. It is longest parallel. Equator, it is marked as 0 degree. And from here, the other parallels, from here to here, from the 0 degree to northern part, 1, 2, 3, 4 degree, and it runs 90 degree till the 90 degree in it is North Pole, and here 90 degree S to South Pole. And the equator or the 0 degree parallel is called the greater circle. Why it is called greater circle? Because it is the longest parallel. the part of the earth which lies to the north of the equator is called the northern hemisphere, and the part that located at southern part of the equator is called southern hemisphere. And now I am telling you the characteristics or features of parallels of latitude. There are actually 181 latitudes including the equator. 181. Here in the northern hemisphere 90 and the southern hemisphere 90 and the 0 degree. So 90 plus 90 plus 1. Total 181 latitudes. The largest parallel is the equator, which is also known as the Great Circle. All parallels are full circle except the North Pole and the South Pole. North Pole and South Pole is just nothing but just 2 points. The length of the parallels decreases as we move away from the equator and towards the pole. You can see this picture. This is North Pole. You can see it is equator here. From the northern part we can see the globe is seen like that. So this is the equator and it is decreasing. The parallels are decreasing, and in the North Pole it is nothing but just like a point. You can see here. Okay. And now I am telling you again, the length of the parallels decreases as we move away from the equator and towards the pole. They never meet each other and run in the same direction, parallel to each other. All parallels are located at an equal distance from each other. Now, these are the main characteristics of the parallels of latitude. Okay. Now, I am telling you the important latitudes. There are some important parallels of latitudes. The most important and the longest parallel of latitude is the equator. It is marked as 0 degree. All the other latitudes are numbered from it. From 0 degree, it is in the northern direction, it is 1 degree north, 2 degree or 10 degree, 20 degree north, 30 degree north. Just like that, it is meet at the point North Pole 90 degree north, and the southern part it is 10 degree south, 20 degree south. Just like that, it meets at 90 degree South Pole. And here and at the top and bottom, it is just, I am telling you again, it is just like a point. If we move northern part of the equator, we will find the Tropic of Cancer. Just have a look. It is Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north. And from the find the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north, and the Arctic Circle. It is 66.5 degree north, and the North Pole 90 degree north. And in the southern part, we can find 23.5 degree south. It is Tropic of Capricorn. 66.5 degree south, it is Antarctic Circle, and 90 degree south, it is South Pole. Okay, these are the main important latitudes. And I think you all must learn to draw these parallels of latitude. It is very much important. You all please learn to draw this. First you draw a circle, then these lines. It is very easy and you must learn to draw this. Okay. Now I am showing you. Numbering the parallels. Lines of latitude are labeled in degrees. The equator is 0 degree. You memorize this. The other parallels are marked from 0 to 90 degree. The parallels are also marked as N or S. Always we should write not N or S. After the degree, 10 degree N or S. 10 degree N means 10 degree north and 10 degree S means 10 degree south, according to their location. The North Pole's latitude is 90 degree N and the South Pole is 90 degree S. And remember, there are 90 parallels in Northern Hemisphere and 90 in the Southern Hemisphere. And the 0 degree equator is also included. Important parallels of latitudes. You all learned Tropic of Cancer, as I told before. Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. And always you should remember the degree also. 23.5 degree N, Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree S, Tropic of Capricorn. Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree N, and Antarctic Circle, 66.5 degrees south. So this much for today's class. You all please remember this. This is very much important. This is a very important topic. You all should memorize this all. Okay. So next day we will discuss on the meridians of longitude. Till then, bye.